Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to download Mario Kart World on your Nintendo 2 Switch when you bought the Nintendo 2 Switch bundle. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you just got the Nintendo 2 Switch. How do you actually go ahead and download Mario Kart World onto it? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But the first thing that you want to do is that you want to click on System Settings, and you want to make sure that you're connected to the Wi-Fi. So first, click on System Settings, then we're going to scroll down to where it says Internet, then click on Internet Settings, and you just want to make sure that you're connected to your Wi-Fi. So simply follow the on-screen prompts and find your home Wi-Fi and connect to it. Once you're connected to the Wi-Fi, you want to click on Nintendo eShop and click on that. And once you click on this, you want to select your user. It might prompt you to go ahead and update your Nintendo 2 Switch. So if that's the case, just follow the on-screen prompts to actually go ahead and update your Nintendo 2 Switch. Wait until it restarts again, and then come back onto the screen. And then once you're back on the screen, just click on the Nintendo eShop once again. Next, click on the user who's going to be using the Nintendo eShop, which is this user. Next, click on Sign In. And at this point, you are going to need to sign in using your Nintendo account. So I personally find it easier to create a Nintendo account on your laptop or desktop. So create a Nintendo account and then sign in. So you can either sign in using your QR code, or you can create a new account, or you can choose other sign-in methods. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to pause this video and sign in using my QR code. So I used the QR code and signed in on my phone, and now it's asking me to enter the 5-digit verification code. So what's going to happen is that once you sign in by scanning in that QR code, just simply enter the 5-digit code and click on OK. Afterwards, you just want to go ahead and link the account, click on OK, and then it's going to ask you again to sign in using your Nintendo account. So let me go and pause the video. Okay. Now, after all of that downloading or basically logging in the Nintendo account, once you're logged into the Nintendo eShop, you should see the prompt that comes up where it says Mario Kart World can be downloaded on the system. Now is when you can download Mario Kart World. So just click on Continue to Download, simply follow the agreements, and then click on Download, and there you have it. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and download Mario Kart World onto your Nintendo Switch 2 after buying the bundle. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.